Hi there everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn more about teaching with the brain in mind. It's a very interesting topic. So let's get started. Teaching with the brain in mind by Dr. Judy Willis offer a powerful bridge between neuroscience and classroom practice. Drawing from her usual, sorry, her truer expertise as a neurologist and educator, Willis present a compelling case for why understanding how the brain learns is essential for effective teaching. This work is not just theoretical, it is deeply practical, aimed at transforming how educators design lesson, engage student and foster long-term learning. So our core and insight analysis is that at the heart of the book is the idea that teaching strategies should align with how the brain naturally processes, stores, and retrieves information. Willis explain complex neurological concepts such as formation, attention, and emotional influence in a clear and accessible way. She emphasizes that learning is not just a cognitive process but also an emotional one. When students feel safe, motivated, and interested, their brain are more receptive to absorb new information. One of the most impactful theme is the role of a positive emotional environment in learning. If you don't provide a very positive environment, student will face very difficulties. Stress and fear can block the brain ability to process information, while curiosity and enjoyment enhance it. You need to make education like this so that student can enjoy it. They uh, feel very enjoyable. They start to think or about this topic, like why it's important, how I do it, uh, how I can solve it, how it helped me. And Williams introduced, sorry, yes, Willis introduced strategies like using storytelling, real world connections, and active participation to stimulate the brain reward system, making learning more engaged and memorable. Another key contribution is her focus on uh, differentiated instructions, recognize that each student brain is unique. She advocates for varied teaching method, visual, auditory, and kinest- uh, kinesthetic to reach diverse learns. Uh, this aligned with modern educational practices that prioritized inclusivity and personalized learning. So I just think that when a student start to learn and adopt things very quickly, why is that? because they find this topic very interesting. They think how I do it, how it will help. They are students, they are children. They may not understand it, how it will helpful for them. But you you need to tell them a real stories about world which make them to realize that or maybe there might be some curiosity in their mind that I need to do it. That's there are different kind of things. So what sits this book about? Is it a- actionable guidance? Teachers are not left with abstract ideas. Instead, they receive concentrated strategies such as breaking lesson into manageable chunks to match attention span, using the frequent feedback to reinforce neural connection and encouraging active learning through the discussions and the problem solving, incorporating momentum and novelty to maintain engagement. These techniques are grounded in neuroscience, making them both credible and effective. So while the book is highly insightful, some readers may find this applying all the strategies required time, training, and institutional support. Because if institute does not support them, how will they do it? If they don't have a time, or if they don't have any kind of training. So additionally, educators in resource limited settings may need to adopt these ideas creatively. However, the core principle uh, remain universal valuable. Teaching with the brain in mind is a transformative guidance that reshapes the way we think about education. Dr. Judy Willis successfully demonstrates that effective teaching is not just about delivering content. It is about understanding the leader's brain by Elijah teaching method with neuroscience. Educators can create more engaging, meaningful, and lasting learning experiences. And in a world where education continue to evolve, like right now, this book will serve as a reminder that the key to better teaching lies within the mind itself. When educators teach with the brain in mind, they don't just transfer knowledge, they unlock potential. And that's how leaders are born. I hope this conversation maybe and this review can help you. And you guys also starting and applying in your life. And if you want to watch this video, you can watch it on YouTube. Like you just need to search "Teaching with the Brain and Mind" by Dr. Jelly Wiles, and you can find it. Uh, it's very interesting topic, and sorry, there might be problem when you try to search it. There, you can find a different title video like neuroscience pathway from lab to classroom. I think that's also there are just is main theme is changed, but the conversation was similar. So if you find this video interesting, please like and share and subscribe. See you in next video.